Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we're all about bringing you honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we're looking at the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter Vacuum Cleaner, an innovative cordless upright vacuum that combines power, flexibility, and convenience. With a sleek cashmere gray and rose gold design, this vacuum promises to offer whole home cleaning performance with an impressive runtime, all while standing proudly on its own. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter offers a patented 3-in-1 design, allowing you to configure it in 3 different ways to suit your cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling hard floors, plush carpets, or getting into tricky spots like furniture or ceilings, this vacuum adjusts to make the job easier. This versatility is a standout feature, ensuring that no matter the space, you're prepared for whatever cleaning challenge comes your way. On top of that, this vacuum comes with 2 replaceable Varta Li-ion batteries, providing a substantial 120 minutes of runtime on its lower power setting. That's more than enough for larger spaces, letting you clean for longer without having to worry about stopping and charging halfway through. If you're looking to clean a multi-story home or tackle larger areas, the dual battery setup means less interruption, so you can power through without the need to recharge constantly. For those with allergy concerns, pet owners, or just those sensitive to dust, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter features a maintenance-free HEPA Lifetime Filter. This advanced filtration system promises to capture up to 99.999% of dust, allergens, and viruses, making it a great choice for households that need extra care when it comes to air quality. No need to constantly replace filters, which adds to its low-maintenance appeal. But what does it really feel like to use? The vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver thanks to its lightweight, cordless design. This is especially useful when it comes to cleaning stairs or reaching areas under low furniture. Its automatic floor detection system, paired with an extra-wide intelligent electrobrush, automatically adapts to various surfaces. So whether you're switching from hardwood floors to carpets, you'll notice a seamless transition in suction power without having to manually adjust any settings. In terms of real-world testing, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter performs exceptionally well on a variety of surfaces. On hard floors, it effortlessly picks up dust and fine debris, leaving behind a streak-free shine. When it comes to carpets, it shows its true power, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. And if you have pets, this vacuum will surely be a game changer. It pulls pet hair from deep within carpets and upholstery without any noticeable tangling. Using the attachments for more detailed cleaning is a breeze. The vacuum comes with several tools, including one specifically designed for cleaning furniture and tight spaces. The handheld configuration is also surprisingly effective, letting you reach ceiling corners or clean inside the car with ease. That said, while the tools are convenient, the vacuum can feel a little top-heavy when using the handheld option, so it's something to keep in mind when using it for longer stretches. However, no vacuum is perfect. One downside to the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter is its weight. While it's light enough for easy maneuverability, it can get slightly heavy when you're using it for extended periods or in the handheld configuration. The battery life, although impressive on the lowest power setting, can drop a bit quicker when using the more powerful modes, especially when the electrobrush is attached. For those who prefer quieter vacuums, you might find this model a little louder than expected in higher power settings, although it's not overly disruptive. In terms of value, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter definitely delivers on its promises, but it comes at a premium price. When compared to similar models, such as the Dyson V15 Detect or the Shark Vertex, it stands out with its unique design and extra long runtime. However, it's important to note that both of those competitors offer slightly stronger suction power at similar or lower prices, though they may not match the Miele's versatility or HEPA filtration. When it comes to build quality, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter feels solid and durable. The materials used are top-notch, and everything from the wand to the brush roll feels well constructed. The electrobrush is wide and powerful, and the dustbin is relatively easy to empty. However, the brush roll can accumulate hair over time, especially if you have pets, so regular maintenance is required to keep it running smoothly. Customer support from Miele is well regarded, offering helpful service and quick responses if any issues arise, which is reassuring when investing in a high-end product like this. In conclusion, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter is a versatile, high-performance vacuum cleaner that shines in various cleaning scenarios. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it great for everyday use, while the powerful suction and advanced filtration are perfect for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. The 3-in-1 configuration gives it a unique edge, allowing for seamless transitions between different types of cleaning tasks. However, its price point and slightly reduced performance in higher power modes may make it less appealing to those looking for a strictly budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a vacuum that can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease and doesn't require constant filter replacements, the Miele Triflex HX2 Sprinter might just be the right choice for you. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, or even your car, this model has the versatility and power to get the job done. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from us at Reviewsinsidetv. Thanks for watching, and if you already own this vacuum, feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools.